Ever wondered how to truly own your cryptocurrency, to hold it safely beyond the reach of exchanges? You're not alone. As the world of digital assets expands, so does the need for secure storage solutions. Two prominent names often pop up in this conversation: ELLIPAL and Ledger. But what exactly sets them apart? Which one might be the right guardian for your precious crypto? Think of your cryptocurrency like physical cash. Would you leave a significant amount lying around on a publicly accessible table? Probably not. Exchanges, while convenient for trading, are essentially that public table. They hold your private keys, granting you access to your funds. A hardware wallet, on the other hand, acts like your personal, ultra-secure vault, putting you in complete control. Both ELLIPAL and Ledger offer this crucial layer of security, but they approach it with distinct philosophies and features. Let's delve into the key differences. One of the most striking distinctions lies in their connectivity. Ledger devices, like the popular Nano S Plus and Nano X, primarily connect to your computer or smartphone via USB or Bluetooth. This allows you to manage your crypto through the Ledger Live application, sign transactions, and verify addresses. While convenient, this connection introduces a potential attack vector, however small. ELLIPAL, on the other hand, champions the concept of air-gapped security. Their devices, such as the Titan Mini and Titan, operate completely offline. They have no USB ports, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or cellular capabilities. To interact with your crypto, you use QR codes. The ELLIPAL app generates a QR code containing transaction details, which you then scan with the ELLIPAL device. The device signs the transaction offline and displays a QR code, which you then scan back into the app to broadcast it to the network. This physical isolation significantly reduces the risk of remote attacks. Another key difference lies in their form factor and user interface. Ledger devices are typically small, sleek, and resemble USB drives. Their interface is navigated through buttons on the device itself, with the Ledger Live app providing a more comprehensive overview and management tools on your connected device. ELLIPAL devices feature larger, full-color touchscreens, making navigation and transaction verification more visually intuitive directly on the hardware wallet. This can be particularly appealing to users who prefer a more direct and visual interaction with their crypto security. In terms of coin support, both Ledger and ELLIPAL support a vast array of cryptocurrencies. However, it's always wise to double-check the specific models you're considering to ensure they support the coins you hold or plan to acquire. Both manufacturers are continually adding support for new assets. Battery life is another practical consideration. Ledger devices have internal batteries that need occasional charging via USB. ELLIPAL devices also have batteries, and their lifespan will depend on usage, particularly with the touchscreen models. Finally, let's touch upon price. Generally, Ledger devices tend to be slightly more affordable than ELLIPAL's air-gapped offerings. However, the price difference often reflects the distinct security features and user experience each provides. Ultimately, the better wallet depends entirely on your individual needs and priorities. If seamless connectivity and a well-established ecosystem are paramount, Ledger might be a strong contender. If you prioritize the highest level of security through air-gapped isolation and prefer a more visual and direct interaction, ELLIPAL could be the ideal choice. Consider your technical comfort level, the amount and types of crypto you hold, and your risk tolerance when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.